For the Business Lab, professors allow us the opportunity to learn how to start a business since the beginning. Moreover, he invited many guest speakers to share their valuable experiences in class, and we also learned how to write a business plan, how to pitch our business like a professional, and also how to raise money. Studying MBA helped me to cultivate the essential interpersonal skills such as the collaboration, because we work as an international working team, and since our class has various different nationalities and we work together, so it come up with the different idea. Moreover, we open to share the idea. We build the project together to achieve the goal. We also learn how to present in a professional way. Since Time Company is one of a remarkable event as a company visit, it is the AI leading company, and they share us many things about their business products and solutions, such as the AI mobile application, the face recognition, and also the smart city, which is very interesting. And I think it's a great opportunity to visit their company because it's not easy that any person can get into their company. Yeah, I would like to say China Immersion is an intensive program about China. It's not just only learning the Chinese language, but you also learn the culture, and we went to many famous places around Beijing, and more importantly, it was our first time to get to know each other in Beijing.